Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson we are going to learn about trigonometric function of multiple and submultiple angles. Now the first one is sin 2x. So sin 2x can be split as sin x into cos x. It can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Similarly, in place of x we can write what? Theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 tan theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, students, we can write sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Right, students? Now the next formula is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. It will be equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or it will be equal to, in the term of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right, student? So in the form of tan we can write 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, similarly, in place of x we can write theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Right, students? Now the next is tan 2x. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Right? Similarly, in the form of theta we can write what? Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Right? Okay, students. Now the next formula is sin 3x. So sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Right, in the form of theta. So sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, students. Now formula number 5, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. In the form of theta we can write cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, formula number 6, tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. In the form of theta we can write what? Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, students? Now the formula number 7, sin a by 2 we can write in the form of plus minus 1 minus cos a by 2. Here there will be two conditions for plus and minus. If it is plus, a by 2 lies in which quadrant? In quadrant number first and second, because in first and second sign is plus. If it is minus, it lies in third and fourth quadrant, because sign is minus in third and fourth quadrant. Right? Now cos a by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos a divided by 2. Similarly, students, here we can write, if cos a by 2 is plus, so in which quadrant cos is plus? Cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant. Similarly, if it is minus, a by 2 is minus, then a by 2 lies in which quadrant? Second and third quadrant. Right, student? Now moving to the next formula, formula number 8, tan a by 2. So plus minus we can write what? In the form of cos 1 minus cos a 1 plus cos a. Right? If tan a by 2 is plus, so in tan is positive in first and third quadrant, and if tan a by 2 is negative, so a by 2 lies in which quadrant? In quadrant number 2nd and quadrant number 4. Okay student, so now the next one is trigonometric function of an angle of 18 degree, right? At 18 degree, what will be the value of trigonometric function? Let us theta is equal to 18 degree, so multiplying both side by 5, so we can get right angle. So wait a minute, phi theta is equal to 18 into 5, so 18 into 5 will be what? 90 degree. So phi theta can be written as tan theta plus 3 theta, 90 degree. So we can find out 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Now we can applying sine on both side. Sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 minus 3 theta. Okay students, so sine 2 theta is equal to cos 3 theta, because sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos 3 theta. So cos 3 theta, we know the formula of cos 3 theta, 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta, right students? So now putting the value of so here students, sine 2 theta can be splitted as 2 sine theta into cos theta, so cos will be common from both sides, so cos will be cancelled out, so we are getting 2 sine theta 4 cos square theta minus 3. Okay student, now cos converting cos into sine, so we are getting 2 sine theta is equal to 1 minus, so here will be simplified form will be what? 4 sine square theta plus 1 plus 2 sine theta minus 1. This is like a quadratic equation, so comparing with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, so a will be 4, b will be 2 and c will be minus 1. So discriminant d will be b square minus 4ac. So according to these things we can find out the roots. So the roots, so we can write what? B plus minus root d by 2, where d is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. So b is minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac, so b square, so 2 square is 4 plus 16 and 2a, a is what? 4, so we are getting 8. So now we can simplifying these things, so we are getting the value of sine theta at 18 degree, because a sine is greater than 0, that's why we will consider the positive value. So the positive value will be root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Similarly students, we can find out the value of cos 18, it will be equal to 1 square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now putting the value of sine 18 degree, so square of sine 18 degree, so we are putting the value over here, so we can simplify these things by doing the cross multiplication. So here it is, we are getting the simplified form is what? Root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay student, similarly we can find out the value of 36 degree of different trigonometric ratio. Okay, now we can easily find out the cos 36 and sin 36. How we can find out? So cos 36 can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree, right students? Applying the formula of cos 2 theta. So we know the value of sin is sin 18 degree. Here putting the value of sin 18 degree and simplifying these things, it is very easy for you to do this labor work. So after simplifying, we are getting the value of cos 36 will be what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Similarly student, we can find out the value of sin 36, which is equal to 1 minus cos square 36. Now putting the value of cos 36 over here and doing simple labor work of simplification over here. So 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So sin 36, by simplifying we are getting what? 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Right students, here we are completing today's video lesson.